Morning, everyone. Boker Tov. Continuing the Halachot of Chanukah, and Meikar Adin, if let's say a person on the sixth night or fifth night only has one candle, he's stranded somewhere or whatever, then technically if you light one candle per night, then you actually fulfill the mitzvah still in that way, and you still say the full brachot, etc. But as we know, the ideal way, the Mehadrin, as the Gemara says, there is a machloket between Sfaradim and Ashkenazim, where Ashkenazim light one menorah per person in the house, whereas Sfaradim light one menorah per house. And therefore, the way it goes is, the first night, you're going to set up your candle, if you're facing the menorah, you're going to set up your candle all the way to the right. Second night, you're going to put the candle to its left, and keep on going to its left all the way till you get to the eighth night. And then when you light the candles, you're lighting the newest candle first, and then going to your right. So on day 8, you're going to start all the way on the most left and keep on going. Day 5, on the newest candle, the one that you just put, the fifth candle, you know, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's how you're going to be lighting it. You're going to be setting it up to the left and lighting it from the newest one, going right. To make sure that we recite the brachot and then light. Sometimes we get nervous, we get anxious, we're in the middle of the bracha and we're already starting to light. No, make sure that it's called over la siyatan. We make the bracha, then we bite into the apple, we make a bracha, then we light the candle. And when do we start singing the hanerot halalu? When the first candle is already fully lit and it's already going up on its own, then you move to the next candle, and at that point you could start singing the hanerot halalu, because you've already fulfilled the mitzvah technically at that point. Now, the lighting of the shamash, again, ideally you should be having an olive oil menorah to resemble how it was in the Beit HaMikdash. So with your oil shamash, you're not going to be using that to light the other candles. And again, the function of the shamash is not necessarily to light the other ones, but it's because the candles of the menorah are so holy, I'm not allowed to use it for my own light, to read a book beside it, etc. In case I did, we say that I use the shamash's light. So that's the real function of the shamash. And therefore the shamash, because it's kind of extra, is actually lit last. Now let's say a person has a candle menorah. So again, the ideal is an olive oil. Next ideal is other oils. And then a candle, which you could still fulfill the mitzvah that way. The only thing is you got to make sure that it lasts at least a half an hour. And when it gets to the higher days, 5, 6, 7, a lot of candles, sometimes they're so close to each other, they burn, because of the heat, they burn down faster than half an hour. You have to be careful with that. And also on Friday, when you have to light the candles for an extended amount of time, because we're lighting so much before Shabbat, and they have to really last to half an hour into nightfall, so you got to get different candles, because those things only last a half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. Nevertheless, if you're using a candle menorah, and you want to use that shamash to light the other ones, so what you would do is you would light that candle, no bracha, say the brachot, light the candles, then put the shamash in its place. Okay, is that all for today? I think that's all for today. Okay, so that's that. How to light the menorah. That's today, and we will continue with halachot of Chanukah tomorrow, B'ezrat Hashem. Mincha tonight at 4:25. Have a good day, everyone. Send the video.